Hi, my name is Shekhar and today I'm gonna show you how to use two-wire interface of Atmega 8 or any AVR family series controller. So basically what is a two-wire interface? It is also known as I2C. Why we are calling it two-wire? Because there are only two wires or two lines involved for communication. It's a communication protocol. There will be one master and one slave. Master will be generating the clocks and there will be other line. The one line will be clock and the other line will be data. So on the toggling of each clock you will get the data. So basically it's a very simple protocol, easy to bit bang. It could be multi-master, like there could be multi-masters in a communication hub, or you can say in a network. But in that case implementation will be little bit difficult because there could be collision and all other things. So just to handle that collision or something related to that, we implement some algorithms and just to avoid those contentions. But today what I am gonna show you is not involving those things. It's just a simple microcontroller interfaced with an RTC having I2C interface. So this code is also available on my GitHub and I'll also upload it on YouTube. I'll share the link where you can find this code from GitHub. Okay, so as usual I am defining my FCPU, which is frequency at which my controller is going to run. And the requirement is because whenever you are using this util delay.h, then this library requires you to define FCPU so that it can calculate the amount of soft delay exactly. I'm also including two header files. The one is I2C.h and the other one is RTC.h. It's written by user, that's why it is in the codes. I'm also defining some macros just to set and clear LED port. LED port is port B, so with this help of this micro I'm clearing one bit, and with the help of this micro I'm clearing, with this help I'm setting, and with the help of this I'm clearing. Okay, so basically here I am just setting the data direction register for my pin B0. It's making it output and it's in LED clear. I'm just resetting or I'm just dimming the LED. Now I'm writing something on RTC, and if I'll go on the implementation of this. So basically it takes an address which is where you want to write the data and the data, right? I2C. Okay, what I am doing is I'm starting I2C, then I'm writing the address, then I'm okay, let me explain this. I2C start, it's like setting up the registers of controller and everything, right? I2C write is like I'm transmitting the slave address on that particular channel. If in case that slave is not in the listening mode, or if slave is not active or slave is faulty, then I won't receive the reply from here and I will just return the error, whatever the error is. If slave is active, then I'll receive the reply and I will transmit the address. Address is like on which location I will be writing. If slave acknowledges that address or that particular frame, I will revert back with the data, and once that is finished I will stop my I2C, so it will stop clock and everything. I guess for this video that will be enough. In the next video I'll show you the rest of the code. Till then I'll just give you the link, you can go through it, and in the next video I'll try to explain I2C in a little bit more depth. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.